Yes, student, in the study of any of the chapter, the most important role is played by the terminologies. So, if we know the proper definition with examples of terminologies, then we can understand the content more easily. Okay, and with completely we can grasp the content. Student, therefore you have to watch this video repeatedly 2 to 3 times at least, okay, to grasp all the terminologies. Like the first one is the most important part of coordination compounds are what? Central metal or iron. Okay, student, usually these are elements of D block. Elements of D block. Okay, but remember, usually, not always. Okay, sometimes the P block element can also form coordination compound. So usually they are elements, they are atoms or ions. The most important next one is what? Ligand. Okay, Ligand, ligand. Okay, these are ionic, okay, in nature, or may be polar neutral molecule, like if you took the example of D block, there may be cobalt, there may be nickel, there may be chromium, okay, there may be iron. And if we think about the ligand, so ionic in nature, so ionic ligand, like ionic ligand, okay, here it may be Cl anion, it may be Cn anion. Okay, if we call about neutral molecule or neutral ligand, okay, these neutral ligand must be polar, like NH3, like it may be water. Okay, and even the positively charged ligands are also present there, positively charged. Okay, now in positively charged, NO2, okay, or NO. Okay, these are the positively charged ligand. Are you getting? Next one is complex, okay, ion. Complex or complex ion. It is formed by ligand, or you can say ligands plus central metal atom, atoms or their ions. Okay, and always written inside the square bracket, Student, in previous video I told you about the type of complex ions. They may be negatively charged, positively charged, or maybe neutral. Like here, suppose if I have to write one of the complex, then it is Fe. In small bracket, the ligands are present, which decides the coordination number, and overall these species are written under the square bracket, and if they carries charge, then the charge is written outside the bracket. So this become what? Complex ion. Okay, one more thing which is very important, counter ions. Okay, these decides what? Primary valency. I am writing completely name. Primary valency, okay, is ionizable, hence written outside the square bracket, the square bracket. Square bracket. Now we can write it right of the square bracket, also left of the square bracket. Like I am writing two example, K4, okay, and now this is FECN6. Here it is written before the square bracket, and if I write next one, so first I will like what? CO, this is NH3 6 times, and this is Cl3, isn't it? So this is called what? Counter ion, isn't it? Types, homoleptic complex, okay, carry only one type of ligands. If they carry only one type of ligands, like in K4 FeCN6, only one type of ligands are present over there. Okay, therefore this is called what? Homoleptic. And the next one is heteroleptic. In heteroleptic, different type of ligands are there. Different type of ligands. Different type of ligands. Like if I write CO in bracket Cl2 and then NH3, or it is written, suppose it is COCl3 NH3 3 times, isn't it? So it becomes what? Heteroleptic, because here two different type of ligands are present over there, Cl and what? NH3. Okay, coordination sphere. Okay, coordination sphere, these are written under the square bracket. Okay, like I can took example of next one, like whole this compound. This is called what? Coordination sphere. That is central metal atom and all ligands are written under the coordination sphere.